Hey everyone, welcome to Gluten Curious.
Today we will be making gluten-free churros from scratch. We will be following a recipe from online and I'll be linking it in the description below. First we'll make the batter. So we put all those ingredients in the saucepan at medium to high heat until it starts boiling, and then you'll have to reduce the heat. So in the meantime, while it's boiling, we can make the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Now we will need 1 cup flour. That's what the recipe calls for. We of course are using gluten-free flour, and we are using Bob's Red Mill 1:1 baking flour. Now we'll put 1 cup of flour into this thing, which is on low heat. So we will be transferring whatever is in the saucepan into this and then let it cool for 5 minutes. So now we have the cooled dough.
Voila.
Then we'll put this in the piping bag to pipe it into the oil.
We have to get all of the batter from this into this.
And this is a piping bag. I was gonna give you advice on piping bags, but honestly I don't know. You could use a Ziploc bag and cut the edge off. And you kind of need this part because it gives it like the churro shape.
This is part of the show where Rachel decides to get her hands dirty with me, even though I said I didn't need her up before. I just want to see her mess up as well.
Alright, he called for me when he really needed help because he knew that he couldn't do it without me.
Maybe at a split, I'm just gonna like rub some of this on your hand.
On my fan?
Yes.
Josh, I feel like there was definitely a better way to do this. Make them small.
Okay.
So we only made a handful of churros. 5, but we'll try them now. Wait, do they have golden eye? Cheers. They're nice and crispy. It's like 100% sugar.
5 million out of 10 would recommend.
They're really good. They're crunchy. They don't really have dough in the middle, but I like that. They feel lighter and not dense. Like I could eat a million of these, but with a regular churro. Maybe a little more. Maybe we fried them too much, but because the inside is like airy.
And you don't get that with a lot of gluten-free things. You normally get like something that's super dense. So this is kind of nice.
Right, let's make the rest. So thanks for watching our episode of Quarantine Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to try it out for yourselves. I didn't know it was this easy to make churros.
Tune in next time to see what we do next.
Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed watching us make some churros. Comment anything else you would like to see us make. Subscribe and click the bell button to be notified for more quality content like this.
See you next time.
See you next time. Josh, do the finger guns.